How to find Roblox servers with low ping. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can find Roblox servers with low ping quickly. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you're on a computer and you need to go to the Roblox website and log into your account. So this method only works on computers or phone with browsers that support Chrome extensions. So choose the game that you want to play. Scroll all the way down and go to its service section. Usually, it only shows the number of the players. But in my case, it's also showing the average FPS and average ping, and I'll tell you how is it possible. So in order to see the ping of each server like I do, you need a BT Roblox or Better Roblox extension in Google Chrome. So I've already installed the BT Roblox extension in my browser. So you need to go ahead and search for BT Roblox in the Google Chrome extensions and install it on your web browser. Then refresh the page and you will be able to see the server with the lowest ping or the one you like based on the player count, and you can join it without any problem. So I hope this guide helps you find the Roblox servers with lowest ping that you'd like to join. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.